I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select a trigger CoBlocks form. Now, click on the Fetch button, then navigate to the CoBlocks form and fill it out to retrieve the data. After fetching the form, you need a unique key to define it. However, the CoBlock form doesn't provide the unique key. That's why I added a hidden field and gave its value as a unique key. Now fill out the form. Return to the integration site to view the successfully fetched data. Now check all the fields under the object. Then choose the hidden field as a unique key. Set action. Now search for Action Zoho Recruit. Select respective data center. Now for client ID and client secret, please visit Zoho API console. Click on Get Start. Choose server-based applications. Give a name. Copy homepage URL and redirect URL from authorization page. And paste it here. Now click on Create. You can see client ID and client secret. Copy this and paste it in authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Click on Accept. Authorized successfully done. Click on Next. Choose module. Now map the fields. Here you can see some advanced options and conditional logic. As per your requirement, you can use this. Click on Next. Our integration successfully done. Click on Finish and Save. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Let's go to Zoho Recruit. Candidates module, reload this page. You can see data is created in Candidates module. This way you can create integrations. Thanks for watching.